Today I'm unboxing something every breastfeeding mom needs. Let's see what's inside this Medela Harmony manual breast pump box. First impression, the box is compact and super lightweight. Opening it up, everything is neatly packed and organized. Here's the pump handle, feels sturdy and ergonomic in my hand. Next, the Personal Fit Flex Breast Shield. Soft rim, oval shape. The 24mm size looks comfortable and flexible for different shapes. There's also a 5OZ breast milk bottle with a secure lid. I love that it comes with a bottle stand. No more spills. All the connectors, valve, and membrane are included too. Instructions and a breastfeeding guide. Super helpful for beginners. Let's put it together. It only takes a few simple steps. Assembly is intuitive. No complicated parts or confusing instructions. Now, let's talk about portability. This pump is so compact. It fits easily in my handbag. Perfect for moms on the go. The pump is incredibly lightweight. Barely adds any weight to my bag. I can see myself using this at work or while traveling. Now, for the hands-on test, let's try the pumping action. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable, even after a few minutes. I'm impressed by how smooth and quiet the pumping motion is. The 105-degree angled shield really hugs the breast comfortably. No pinching or discomfort, just gentle, effective suction. The shield rotates 360 degrees, so I can adjust it for the best fit. I notice milk starts flowing quickly, just like baby's natural suck. That's thanks to Medela's two-phase expression technology. It mimics a baby's natural rhythm for efficient milk expression. Honestly, I got more milk in less time than expected. The anti-slip bottle stand is a lifesaver, no more tipping bottles. Cleaning up is a breeze. All parts come apart easily. Everything rinses clean and dries quickly, perfect for busy moms. Let's talk about comfort. The soft rim really reduces pressure. I didn't feel sore or uncomfortable, even after a full session. The flexible shield adapts to my shape, making it super comfy. This pump is ideal for occasional use or as a backup. If you travel or need to pump at work, it's perfect. It's also great if you want a break from electric pumps. Medela is the #1 trusted hospital-used breast pump brand. I feel confident using a brand that professionals trust. Overall, I love how easy, portable, and comfortable this is. If you're a breastfeeding mom, I highly recommend trying it. Check the link in my bio to get your Medela Harmony. Don't miss out on more comfort and more milk. Happy pumping!